The battle for the best 2026 Android flagship has officially begun, and surprisingly, it looks like OnePlus might be miles ahead of Samsung this time. While Samsung's Galaxy S26 lineup is still months from launch, the buzz around the OnePlus 15 is already shaking up the entire smartphone market. And honestly, the contrast between the two brands couldn't be more dramatic. OnePlus is innovating, while Samsung seems stuck in the past. Let's start with OnePlus because this company is on fire. The upcoming OnePlus 15 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting Android flagships of 2026, and the leaks, they're wild. OnePlus is reportedly bringing a massive 7,300 mAh battery, which is 1,300 mAh, larger than the one in the OnePlus 13. That's a serious boost, especially since the OnePlus 13 already delivered close to 2 full days of battery life. With this upgrade, users can expect even more endurance and fewer battery anxiety moments. And it's not just about size, it's about speed. The charging power is getting a bump too. The OnePlus 15 will now support 120W wired charging, up from 100W, while keeping its impressive 50W wireless charging. Translation: you'll go from nearly empty to full in minutes, not hours. Few phones in 2026 will be able to match that kind of convenience. But OnePlus isn't stopping there. They're doubling down on performance and display quality. The OnePlus 15 will feature a 165Hz refresh rate panel, an upgrade over the OnePlus 13e's 120Hz screen. The resolution has reportedly been tweaked slightly from QHD to 1.5000A. Fair trade-off for smoother scrolling, faster touch response, and an unbeatable gaming experience. And then, there's the best part: pricing. In a market where flagships keep getting more expensive every year, OnePlus is doing the opposite. Reports suggest the OnePlus 15 could actually be cheaper than the OnePlus 13, possibly by around $60 less. That's nearly unheard of in 2026. It shows that OnePlus is still focused on delivering value, not just raising prices for the sake of it. Now, combine that with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, a refreshed sleek design, and a performance-first software experience, and you've got a phone that's already dominating tech discussions online. Early polls are even showing that 71% of Android users are more excited for the OnePlus 15 than for any Galaxy S26 model. Even though OnePlus might be ending its long-running Hasselblad partnership, the early camera samples still look impressive. So clearly, OnePlus knows what it's doing even without the big-name branding. Now, on the other hand, Samsung. The Galaxy S26 series was supposed to be Samsung's big comeback, a statement piece that reminded everyone why it leads the Android world. But instead, the excitement around it has started to fizzle out. Initially, Samsung planned a huge lineup revamp with models like the Galaxy S26 Pro and Galaxy S26 Edge replacing the old Standard and Plus versions.